Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel. Well, I've been gone for quite a while. I apologize for being MIA, but I had a few personal problems, and when that happens, I get depressed and I don't want to do anything, and you know the deal. You just want to go to sleep until the problem's over and then wake up when it's okay. So anyway, the positive thing about that is it gave me a lot of time to think about a bajillion projects, and I really have some good ones. So please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell because you're going to want to see these. Today, I have some projects. I just wanted to show you how easy and how inexpensive it, and I know some of them are old and you've seen them before, but it's just so easy to make new decor for your house with pennies. Great ideas. Just stay tuned, guys, and thank you so much for stopping by and watching. On with the projects. Okay, guys, project number 1. So I took a trip to Goodwill. I figured, let me pick up some stuff. I got a lot of work to do. I've had off for a couple weeks, and I need to catch up. So after I got all these things, I thought to myself, God, you can make your home so beautiful on such a minimal amount of money. So I'm doing this technique with the baking powder, baking soda, whatever. I think you can use either. I make mine very thick because I want a lot of texture. So as you can see, I make mine very thick. Now this was a little too thick, but I just went with it. So this first project is a vase, or vase, however you want to say it, and I think I paid like $1.99 for it. I love the shape of it. I'm sorry it's out of frame. And I just painted up with this white latex paint. I added baking soda to it, and I just love the texture of it. So that's all I did, and here's my finished project. Okay, so this is even more up my point. Projects 2, 3, and 4. I thought these little dishes were adorable. Now, the 3 on the right came together, and the little sugar bowl came by itself. I think I paid maybe $4 for all 4 of them. I couldn't believe it. So, of course, I went on my Silhouette Cameo design space, and I just hooked up some Rae Dunn words. I'm not a big Rae Dunn collector, but I do think it's beautiful. So I made my own. I'm not going to go out and spend money on it, but I will make my own. I like it that much. So I just made some words for these bowls. I made sweet cereal and 2 soup bowls. And I think they're so cute. And here I am weeding them. And then you'll see I use my easy, now I can't think of the name of it. My transfer tape. Easy transfer, I don't know, easy something. But you can get it from Amazon. I don't know how to do the link. Guys, hit that bell if you want to see some really cool content in the very near future. I have something really cool that I'm going to make. I'm going to start it tomorrow. So here's my finished project, guys. number 5, guys. I got this teapot, and of course I didn't like the design on it. So on this, I used the baking soda paint. I forgot to say in projects 2, 3, and 4, I believe it was, that I didn't even paint those. But I did paint this one, and I used the baking soda paint. I did the teapot and the lid, and I tried not to get any inside because I made something a couple weeks ago, and I put the lid on when it wasn't all the way dry, and now I can't get the lid off. And I really like that jar, and I want it. I don't know how to get the lid off. If anybody has any suggestions, please leave it in the description box. So I really love how this turned out. This one is a little milder as far as the texture, and I just love it. So I added a design on this, and I just wrote T in the Rae Dunn font. Now, the Rae Dunn font you can get it on from Teapot. Oh my God, I can't even talk today. Teapot.com for free. Free downloads, any font. Here's my finished project. So last but not least, guys, project number 6. Now, you could really tell that I am growing as a creator because when I first started my YouTube channel, I made an organizer. And you know what? To tell you the truth, I really liked it, but it fell apart and it was still hanging on the wall. I was trying to use it as for as long as I could. And then I spotted this one at Goodwill. And I think it was $2.99. So I decided to paint this white part with some chalk paint from the Dollar Tree. Then I put another piece of cork over the piece of cork that's under this because I thought that it was too thin and no thumbtacks would fit on it. They wouldn't stay. Then I was going to leave the wood as it was, but then I got some black paint on it, so I decided to paint the inside of the box where the chalkboard was. And then I just painted around the outside black as well. Now I put, in my other organizer, I keep menus and mail and just some little other odds and ends. So I wrote, I designed on my Silhouette Cameo mail and menus. And then you'll see in a minute how I added them to these two little pockets. I'm really happy about how this turned out. And then I didn't film this, but I'm adding two little hooks on the bottom. And I'm going to add a basket that I had on my last organizer. So I'm going to put a basket hanging from the bottom by two hooks. So that's it, guys. Easy peasy and turned out cute. Here's my finished project. Hit that subscribe button, guys, and hit that like button. Also, hit that bell if you want to see more content from me. I have a lot coming up. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.